here we've got a very, very nice bladed John Deere wheel disc. It's a 110. We've got like 20-inch front blades, 9-inch spacing. 3-inch rear, 20-inch spacing. Wind's blowing it. 14-foot overall width. It's got a leveling plate in the back.
Okay.
Leveling plates hit something. Got a little place in it. We're going to do a quick walk around here. Blades in general are very good. Scrapers look like they're mostly in order. This cover plate's good. Somebody put brand new tires on this right side. New tire there. Non-factor weld right here. Non-factor weld right there. Got the cylinder right with it. Hard to find them with this good a blade on them.